Good in yourself. $10 for the gas.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I got more than that. Gonna put more gas in.
Well, I should have talked to you, and I would have known how much gas to bring.
Why you didn't?
Cause I called the number that was on the invoice. Yeah, the $10 gonna get you where you need to go. You gotta go where? $10 to get you across the river. $10 gonna get you exactly where you need to go. Get you to another gas station. Shouting, fella. Bet that's got you over a quarter of a tank. You got enough gas to go wherever you need to go. Turn this switch on. Just turn the ignition on. Don't start it. Yeah, just turn it on. Okay, hold on. All right, start it now.
Yay! Thank you.
You good? Hold on. Let me close your cap.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Have a good one. All right.